Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Semiya payasam or kheer is one of the most cooked Indian desserts. Only few when they prepare they get the perfect consistency and texture of this payasam. How far or how good I cook, my husband still says that I'm not good at preparing semiya kheer or payasam, and he also says that my mother prepares the best ones. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare the perfect payasam with perfect consistency and texture. So today my mother herself prepared and showed me the trick and small tips how to prepare the juicy and perfect consistency and texture of the semiya or kheer payasam. First of all, you need to take a bowl full of milk. That is 1 liter of milk here she have taken, and added 150 grams of roasted vermicelli into it. So here she have directly taken roasted vermicelli. If you don't have roasted vermicelli, you can take the normal semiya and then you can roast it or fry it in ghee for some time until it turns golden brown color, and then you can add it to the milk. So for 1 liter of milk, this is the bowl in which she have taken roasted vermicelli. So for 1 liter of milk she have taken that to full fat milk. For 1 liter of full fat milk you need to add 150 grams of roasted vermicelli. Now after adding vermicelli, just put it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes and you'll get a nice boil like this. So once you get a nice boil, time to add sugar. Now lower the flame and add half a cup of sugar with which you have taken the vermicelli. But I must say, it depends on your taste. If you prefer too much sweet, you can add according to it, or if you want to have less one, you can reduce it. So just check the sugar and then you can add or reduce accordingly. But trust me, you can't reduce it, so better you add little bit lesser and then you can add later. So on medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes, just cook it so that the sugar melts down. Once you can see that the sugar is melted, then it's time to add our ilachi powder or cardamom powder. Now put it on low flame and add pinch of cardamom powder. That brings a nice aroma and also nice flavor to our payasam or kheer. Now just check that whether the sugar is melted or not. Once the sugar is melted, that's it. Turn off the stove and put it aside. You should not overcook the semiya. This is the mistake why the semiya gets thickened later on. So put it aside, turn off the stove, and then on the other hand, take a small pan and add ghee to it and add our cashews, roast it for a while, and again time to add our kismis or raisins, and again you need to fry and add it into the semiya. Now you see, once I have fried all the cashews, I have added here, and again I have taken the spatula and just give it a quick stir so that the entire ghee and the cashews get mixed well, and again repeat the process with the other nuts also. Here I have just added raisins and cashews. If you want, you can also add almonds or badam and pistachios. Now this is the secret where many of us, even I, very often what I do is I overcook or overboil the milk and overcook the semiya. By doing so, what happens is the semiya is overcooked and up to point where it is swollen so much that after once we turn off the stove, the milk and the semiya gets thickened. That is the mistake we do. But after adding semiya, only just cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After adding sugar, another 2 minutes. That's it. Hardly for 4 to 5 minutes you cook semiya and turn off the stove. And then you can enjoy this hot semiya payasam or kheer. Now with this small tips which I have shared with you, you will next time when you try the semiya payasam or kheer, trust me, it will be a super hit. For me, I have known the secret how my mother prepare, and for me it will become a super hit for sure. I hope for you too. So please like, share, comment and subscribe.